your casting reel ever make a screeching noise when you make a cast? If so, give me a few seconds and I'll show you how to fix that. Okay guys, if y'all are out on a lake and your casting reel starts making that screeching noise, I just pop the side of this reel off. And the way the centrifugal brake works, these little brakes here, you have some of them tight, some of them loose. But as the spool spins, it'll rub up against the inside of this race right here. And if there's any buildup on it, it will, your brake won't work effectively and it'll make a screeching noise. So I take a little reel oil, put it on this Q-tip, and I just go around the inside of it like this. Now there's nothing on this because I did this one recently. But you pop it on, pop it back on, in a few seconds you're ready to go. Now I keep this stuff in a baggie in my boat, and even during tournament day, I could pop that side of that reel off and I can be back to fishing in just a few seconds. So give this a try. I think it'll help you guys out. I hope that helped y'all out, and I'll talk to y'all later.